di matondo munasalu kiatambura kadinge wasanakyo takimbangu di matondo munasalu kiatambura
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ndunga. Welcome to my talk show. Today the subject of this little show will be about Africa. A lot of people used to say that Africa is suffering, that we live in the very bad conditions, but one thing that we don't know, it's all that issues, it's all about the African people. First of all, I would like to say that yes, it's good when we say that the European people come to Africa and stole us, but we must think about one thing too. Why are we leaving them doing what they are doing? First of all, I think that we African people, we must go back to our natural, we must go back to how our grandparents were living in Africa. They used to cultivate a lot of things and they love the natural. But right now, the youngest people in Africa, we just want to be like the Europeans. We want to live their life, and we are living when we are abandoning our own culture. And that's very disappointing, because right now I think that Africa is not suffering because of the European people. Africa is suffering because we black people, we don't have that mentality. We think that when we are adopting the other people's life, that will make Africa getting developed, but that's all wrong. First of all, if you want our continent to be like another continent, we must love our own continent first. We must learn how to cultivate how our grandparents were living before the European comes to Africa. We must love our nature, because Africa is a very richest continent, more than European or American continent. We have a lot of resources, the natural resources like diamond, like carbon. We have all that things, and we must learn to work with that thing. We must learn how to live in harmony with our own nature. And yeah, maybe that thing will make that our continent going developed like the other continent. But first of all, we must have that mentality. We must accept that we have a lot of resources who can make us go very high and high, more than the other continent. And that's so damaged, because we don't get profit of our own resources, because the European people are coming to Africa. They know how to cultivate that thing, so it's so easier for them to steal us, and we are here, we don't have anything else. So African people, we must stop telling ourselves that we are poor, we cannot develop. No, you guys are, when you have a child in Africa, you take him to school or her to school, and then the child have this mentality, I have to go to the European. Why she must go there? Why in France? Why? Because they think that in Africa they don't have jobs or anything else, but that's wrong. I think that is the part of the parents too, because they learn to a child that you must go away to bring us more. That's very wrong, because in Africa we have a lot of things to cultivate. We have a lot of things to do there. It's just we don't have that courage to accept what the nature gives us, and that's so That makes me hurt, because people think that in Africa people are not developed, people are not intelligent, because they don't have that mentality. No, the burning brand is not only in the European continent. We must get her. We must live up and trust in our own culture. We must trust in our own culture. We must learn to our children that you must go to Africa and do something for your country, for your own continent. Because the youngest people are the avenue of Africa. If they all leave Africa, there will be nothing anymore in Africa. And that's very, 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 very bad for us. We must accept that, and we must talk to our child how to accept their country, and they must not be afraid of that. They must not be afraid of that, because Africa needs youngest people to be developed. And youngest people, you must be proud of your continent. You must be proud to be an African. Stop going to the other countries and you are going to learn there, you give them all your monies, but next, behind you, your country, your own continent is not getting developed. So, children, parents, everyone in Africa, first of all, if you want Africa to be developed, please be proud first of your own continent and accept that if you don't have, maybe buildings that in the other countries, but as our riches, our resources is our riches. So we must learn how to develop that everything, and you will see Africa will be very high. Thank you. That was all my messages I want to say.
Uturi matondo mumasalu kiatambula kadinge wasanakyo takimbangu uturi matondo mumasalu kiatambula kadinge wasanakyo.